What is assumable loan? Easy explain. An assumable loan can sound almost too simple. Someone buys a home, takes over the seller's loan, and keeps moving. That is why a lot of people hear the term and think it is just a shortcut around getting a brand new mortgage. But the important part is not just taking over the debt, it is taking over the existing terms of that debt, and that can be either very attractive or much more complicated than it first seems. That is the detail most people miss at the beginning.
What it actually is.
In easy terms, an assumable loan is usually an existing mortgage that a new buyer can take over instead of replacing it with a new mortgage. Fannie Mae describes a mortgage assumption as a situation where a new owner takes responsibility for the property's mortgage loan and becomes a borrower on the mortgage note. So the simple explanation is this. Instead of starting from zero with a brand new loan, the buyer may be able to step into the seller's current mortgage. That can matter a lot if the old loan has a lower interest rate than what the market is offering now. How it works? Here is the easiest way to picture it. A seller has a mortgage. A buyer wants the home. If the loan is assumable and the lender allows it, the buyer may take over the remaining balance, rate, and repayment terms of that loan rather than creating a totally.
Freddie Mac explains that the person assuming the mortgage becomes responsible for the remaining balance while keeping the same interest rate and term.
That does not mean the buyer automatically gets the whole house for the loan balance alone. If the home is worth more than what is still owed, there may still be an equity gap to cover with cash, savings, or another loan. So the assumption can reduce financing friction, but it does not erase the difference between the sale price and the unpaid mortgage. This is an inference based on how assumptions transfer the existing debt rather than replace the full purchase price. Where people usually see it, this topic comes up most often with government-backed mortgages. HUD says all FHA insured single-family forward mortgages are assumable, and the VA says VA loans can also be assumed if the lender or VA approves the buyer's creditworthiness. That is why assumable loans get more attention when mortgage rates are high. A buyer may care less about the house's old paperwork and much more about the chance to keep an older, lower rate. But not every mortgage works this way. Fannie Mae says conventional fixed-rate loans are not assumable as of the note date, which is a major limit people often discover too late. The catch nobody explains clearly enough. The hidden issue is that assumable does not mean automatic. Approval may still require credit review, lender consent, fees, and formal paperwork. VA guidance makes that very clear and even notes a funding fee for some loan assumption. There is also another catch. If the old mortgage has a great rate, that sounds amazing, but if the remaining loan balance is much lower than the home sale price, the buyer may still need a lot of extra money to close the deal. So the rate can be attractive while the overall transaction is still financially demanding. The real answer: so what is an assumable loan in easy terms? It is a mortgage that a buyer may be able to take over from the seller, keeping the existing loan terms instead of starting with a new mortgage. That resolves the big question from the start. An assumable loan is not really about skipping a mortgage, it is about inheriting one. And once you understand that, the whole idea becomes much clearer. The attraction is usually the old interest rate, but the real story is whether the loan is eligible, approved, and practical for the full purchase. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.